Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared01, the only one. Back with another video. Yes, sir, today. Hope everybody having a good day. Hope everybody having a blessed day today. Come back with a how to cop video. So, this how to cop video, we're going to be talking about how to cop these Air Jordan 12 Black Taxi. The release date supposed to be December 3rd. Retail price for the men's size will be $200. Grade school size will be $150, and it's a full size run. So, full size run. So, you get it for your babies, your nieces, nephews, you know what I'm saying, cousins, sons, daughter, you know what I'm saying? The whole family can have this shoe, you know what I'm saying? Christmas pics or something, in case you can't get them Retro 11 charity joints. But you can rock these joints. Like I said, the retail price for the men's size will be $200, and the grade size will be $150. So the raffles are up right now on Foot Locker, Champs, and of course, you know, JD gonna have, you know what I'm saying, before, I think it will be today or tomorrow, I believe. I gotta get in the habit of back on, like I said, on track on JD. I know Foot Locker and Champs right now is live right now. So if you want to get on Foot Locker and Champs, you know what I'm saying, head over there. But in this video, I will give y'all steps and process on how to, you know what I'm saying, cop a shoe on Foot Locker and Champs, because that's my bread and butter. That's my breadwinner right there. I know how to, you know what I'm saying, maneuver on that app. So I'm gonna teach y'all every step how I work on Foot Locker and Champs, like how to know what ways to win on that app. But also I know how to work a little bit of JD, you know what I'm saying. So, but if you got any questions, concerns, comment down below, let me know. Or, you know what I'm saying, shoot me a DM on Instagram, you know what I'm saying. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. If you'll be the first one to know when I post these videos, get your post notification bell is on. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Like I said, we're talking about these Air Jordan 12 Black Taxis here. Go close up video of this shoe. The whole upper of the shoe right here is leather material, leather quality. I thought it would be a little suede on this shoe, but the whole upper is leather, because the original pair of the Taxis, the white and black colorway, is leather. So I kind of understand why they did leather, but I wish they did a little suede on this, even though it's not the original Taxi, you know, calling the Black Taxi. But hey, it's all good, you know what I'm saying. But I will rate these shoes about a good about 6.57 out of 10. That's not a bad rating on the retro right here, you know what I'm saying. I know it's gonna be a big GR release, because like I said, this shoe will sit in stores. This shoe will definitely sit in stores. It's not gonna sell out super quick, and the market price on this shoe is basically retail on GOAT right now, so it's not gonna be going for super crazy on the market price, you know what I'm saying. I wouldn't be shocked that people sell these shoes for like $285, $300 the most. $300 kind of is overpricing at these shoes, even though the retail price on these is $200. So I kind of understand both sides, but I think a nice little price for these reselling wise, I would say about $285. $300 maybe be the most. If someone's selling this over $300, but hey, slow your roll. So if you, like I said, if you don't get this shoe for retail, pretty sure you will get the shoe for retail. The most I would say pay for these would be $285 to $300. Just saying. In case you're a big retro 12 fan, then okay, that's a nice price. But if retros, anything like that, I wouldn't even tell you to go ahead and pay that price, you know what I'm saying. So like I said, it's a give or take on this shoe, you know what I'm saying. But a lot of people do love retro 12s, you know what I'm saying. A lot of people that I know, they like retro 12s as well. So I wouldn't be shocked that people even be like, oh, I like them, or I need them, or I want them, I want to go grab them. So, you know what I'm saying, everybody got their opinion on their shoes. So don't let nobody change your opinion on the shoe. You know, your friends don't like it, don't be like, oh, never mind, I don't want it. But if you like that shoe, bro, or whoever watches this video, if you really like this shoe, me watching this, you know what I'm saying, I'm me personally, I'm not going to grab this shoe. But don't let me change your mind on the shoe. If you still like this shoe, go ahead, grab the shoe. I'm just giving you my personal opinion on the shoe. You know what I'm saying, how to cop and all that good stuff. So don't make me, you know, say Jared01 change your mind on the shoe, you know what I'm saying, in case you see on somebody feel like, damn, them look nice, them look sharp. Don't let me change your mind on that. Like I said, beginning of the video, I was gonna teach y'all how to cop on Foot Locker and Champs, right? So like I said, I normally win most of my pairs, most of my shoes on Foot Locker and Champs because of my accounts, what they are. So I'm at X3. So you have tiers. You got tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So I'm at X3, which is really good. So I normally go in there, I buy upcoming release shoes, or sometimes they have restocks in like Nike Dunks, or when they had the Yeezys and all that good stuff, I used to go in there, you know what I'm saying, get the shoes. I normally do, in case they don't have shoes, I normally go in there and grab some fitted hats, or I normally will grab like some shoe cleaning because I have clean shoes. So I do a lot of little different things that I go in there and grab so I can build my account up and build my points up. Which that's a great thing to have, because say if you just your first time want to get like, I know everybody want to do the Trail 11s, okay. So I know everybody gonna do the Trail 11s. So my best advice for you, if you're watching this video right now, my best advice for you is to build the account right now. So when that time comes for the Trail 11s or upcoming releases for next year, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be like, okay, my account at this point, so now I'm good. Rather than you having no points, nothing, you like, damn. So I'd rather you work on your account right now. Or in case you want these retro 12s, go ahead, work on your account right now. Go to Foot Locker right now. Head over there, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, get some shoe cleaner, get some socks. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people need some shoe cleaner now because a lot of people don't like cleaning their shoes nowadays. So go ahead and get you some shoe cleaner, or just, like I said, head over, get some socks, a fitted hat. They got t-shirts in there. You know what I'm saying? For like a lot of things that you could get just for, you know what I'm saying, just to build that account up. You know what I'm saying? And plus, when you do these upcoming releases, you need them head starts. If you don't have them head starts, bruh, you're not going to get the shoe. Sometimes though, I'm not gonna say you won't get the shoe. Sometimes I did no head starts and I got the shoe before. Maybe because I have my account what it is. I heard before people accounts ain't had nothing they won without no head starts. So you might get lucky sometimes. But majority of the time, I'm saying for how I be winning majority of the time, maybe my accounts, where is it at? And it's very, very comfortable up here. So I like, hey, got them head starts on my account, where is it at? I'm consistent on buying those here and there. Then you're good to go. But since they changed the algorithm of the Foot Locker and Champs, you necessarily don't have to spend too much in there or be consistent as like you used to be. But like I said, my best advice to you is get your account at least to X2, X3. You know what I'm saying? So you're like, okay, your account at a comfortable state. And then plus, like I said, just have them points in there so you can get them head starts on them accounts. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, because you got a man's, that's going to be 3 head starts. Because up to 4 head starts. Because when you first enter, that's already a head start already. Then you got 3 more. So you got to do 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 head starts. So think about if I got my 4 right, and if you ain't got none, you right here. It's not just me and you entering on Foot Locker and Champs. It's multiple people. So when people up here got 4, I'm up top. I'm right here. But people got like 3, 2, 1, 0. You know what I'm saying? Where you want to be? You want to be at 4? You want to be at 0? Pick and choose what you want to be at. So it's like, how I explain it is like pretty straightforward, because I don't like, you know, people like going to detail and all that. But like, if you really, really want the detail, like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know, or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I don't mind answering any type of questions or anything like how to work the Flex app or anything like that. Cause I know the Flex app do get frustrating for people. Like I said, if you got any questions, concerns, let your boy know down below. JD, sometimes I win, sometimes I don't. But normally I get the email for early access. So normally, like I said, they go to your emails. I normally check my emails every 2 hours. It just depends. If you got Apple or Yahoo or Gmail, make sure you have notifications set for like Wednesday and Thursday. They normally do it like 2-3 days before the actual release date. So make sure you have your notifications on for your email. So when they do email you about your exclusive access, boom, there you go. I know you need 2,000 points every time for exclusive access. You need 2,000 points on the finish line, JD. In case y'all listen, 2,000 points. All right, 2,000 points. So you will be guaranteed to get the size. So in case you don't get the email for the exclusive access in store, sometimes like I will get exclusive access for online, which is not bad. And you know, I don't mind getting the shoes in hand right off the rhythm release day. As long as I'm guaranteed getting that shoe, I'll be perfectly fine. So like I said, it's vice versa. It just depends on how JD and Finish Line do me sometimes. Like them Lost and Found Jordan 1s, they did exclusive access online for me. But any other shoe, they do exclusive access in store. So they play me a little bit, but it's cool. It's cool. So that's how JD Finish Line work. But if you got any questions, concerns on that as well, comment down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. Hibbett and City Gear, how you want to call it, they normally do their raffles real early. Real early. So I think, let me check my phone right quick. Give me 1 second. Hibbett does have their raffles up right now. Raffle is open. And the raffle is open. They say got to enter by the 1st. So the 1st is on, I don't need that. The 1st is by tomorrow. So go to Hibbett, you know what I'm saying, down the app, go to Hibbett. I'm gonna put all the links down below. So it's gonna send you straight there to the app. Boom, straight to it. Send you straight to the link. Get on the raffle. So Hibbett is to the 1st, which is this December 1st. That is this Thursday. And I know Foot Locker and Champs, theirs is Friday. You gotta enter till 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock Eastern time, my fault, Eastern time. And I know Hibbett is said, let's double check again, 12 p.m. Eastern time. So you got enough time, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm uploading this video today, so y'all got enough time, you know what I'm saying? Shoot over there, go to Foot Locker, Champs, Hibbett's. Like I said, JD, be on the lookout for the email for that, in case you have an account with JD or Finish Line. If you don't, go ahead, start building the points up. But Hibbett, you really don't necessarily have to have points to, you know what I'm saying, get to that point. I just know most time I hit on Hibbett, it's just because I just hit on Hibbett, not because how many points I got or anything like that. I just be hitting on Hibbett. Hibbett don't need no head starts. JD and Finish Line don't need no head starts. It's just Foot Locker and Chips need them head starts. So I miss doing these how to cop videos. Like I said, I am back doing the how to cop videos. If you got any concerns, anything like that, like I said, I want to cop these retro 12s, black taxis. Like I said, for this video, man, hope y'all like this video. You know what I'm saying? Hope I gave y'all enough information on how to cop these retro 12 black taxis. Like I said, release date will be December 3rd. Retail price for the man sizes will be $200, and the grade school sizes will be $150. So like I said, got any questions, concerns, or anything like that, comment down below, man. Let me know, or show me DM on Instagram. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Like I said beforehand, make sure follow me on all platforms down below: my Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter, all that good stuff down below. And also all the information for the raffles will be down below in the link in the description. So we'll send you the Champs, Foot Locker, all that good stuff down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure your post notification bell is on. I'll catch y'all another video, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all have a good day today, man. J1 is out. Peace.